Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can put about cosine s squared multiplied by cosine s. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So sin s squared we put on the right. So we have 1 minus sin s squared. So we put this one to change for cosine s squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin s du. We have cosine s ds. So this one we have u square. This one we have du. The integration of number 1 we have u. The integration of u square we have u to the power of 3 over 3. About u, that's about sin s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.